Hey y'all, Rob here with atx Legal, and today I'm presenting my 2023 Travis County Assault Family Violence Guide. Now I want to give a quick note on family violence in general before I get started. It's of course a very serious topic. I'm not here to minimize those people who've been affected by domestic violence. If that's you and you're watching this, nothing in these videos is intended to minimize what you've gone through. But that being said, my role is as an advocate for those who've been accused of domestic violence, and I want to put an emphasis on that word accused, because in my experience, more people are falsely accused of domestic violence than they are in other areas of criminal law practice. So it is very important to have a good advocate in court. A lot of these cases get dismissed because the evidence is so weak. Of course, domestic violence is real, it does happen, and it is a real tragedy when it does happen. No one should be subjected to violence, and it is a very serious issue. Now, the flip side of that is that there is a huge social stigma against people who have been accused of domestic violence. So because of that, it's especially important that they have an advocate in court. And one thing that gets lost when people overgeneralize and talk about domestic violence in a general way is that each case is different. Each case has different things that led to the police being called. There's different levels of evidence. Sometimes there's almost no evidence at all that anything happened. And we do have false accusations in this area of the law all the time, because it often comes down to he said, she said. There aren't always any other witnesses there. So the police have to piece together the evidence sort of based on what the two parties are saying. Oftentimes it's conflicting, and then look at the other evidence that's available, sometimes bruises or marks that can corroborate evidence, but not always. And it is a very, very messy area of law where you have a lot of conflicting statements. Sometimes it's very hard to piece together what actually happened, and that's why it's really important to have a good lawyer to advocate for you if you have been accused. Now, this guide focuses specifically on Travis County cases. Some of it's going to be applicable to Texas cases. If it's outside of the state of Texas, there's not a lot that's going to be applicable, and you need to find an attorney in your area. That being said, some of the concepts can be generalized, but keep in mind that this guide is tailored for Travis County. It's being filmed in 2023, so over time it can change as well. So if you are facing charges in Travis County, this guide is for you. It's going to help you understand what the process is going to be like and some of the things that you can do to help yourself. If you want to get the content on YouTube, I've separated the chapters out, and you can go to my channel and go to the chapters that you're interested in viewing. Of course, none of this is legal advice, but if you do want legal advice on your case, you can give us a call or visit us at atx.legal.